I'm sitting here and I hate this ride.
Your attention, please.
Oh, another morning, another beautiful day. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer today. We're back on Main Street. It's time for some coffee. What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. We are back in the parks. It's super sunny. It's supposed to be like 84 degrees today. It's supposed to get pretty warm. And it's actually kind of crowded already. So it's about 5 minutes to rope drop. Bag check was the most crowded we've seen it yet.
Was it bad though?
Well, it wasn't bad. They did it right. They kind of just break you up. But we've never seen it that way. So it was kind of a shock. But it doesn't matter. We're in the park. We're in the happiest place on earth. Just kind of sucks that the castle's still under scrim. But
no, it's not. It's right there.
Well, the old-fashioned castle is. But anyways, we're going to get coffee. Now we're hitting Fantasyland. Probably Small World. But I don't know what else, because right now we don't need a fast pass, and we're trying to figure out what fast passes we need. So we'll see you over in Fantasyland. Yeah. See you in Fantasyland. Okay, so I lied. We had to stop and get some breakfast, and these look amazing. So first we have the Fruity Pebbles donut. You can get this at the coffee cart. If you're facing the castle, it's to the left, where we always get our coffee. Fruity Pebbles donut, and then this macaroon donut. It's coconut, and Ashley's like it's nasty, but I like the Matterhorn macaroon, so both of these look delicious. So we gotta try them. Is it Fruity Pebbles? Is it just Fruity Pebbles? Okay. So I cheated. I took my macaroon off. This is just like a macaroon cookie, but oh, it's coconut, but it's not very sweet. But the little cookies and my macaroon go great with it. So definitely try these. Like I said, to the left of the castle. Oh, these are awesome. So I know that wasn't very long on Snow White. I don't have the right lens on the camera right now, so I couldn't film using the fancy camera, so I had to use the phone, and the phone never comes out quite as well. But I thought I'd show you a little bit. We're headed to Toad, which I can't film no matter what, because it's just too jerky, too quick. Maybe tonight when I get the other lens on, we'll try to film Toad. But anyways, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna go to nowhere in particular, and then I think it's almost time for our Small World Fast Pass.
Enjoy your tea.
I don't know why she makes me do this. I hate this ride, and she's just sitting here filming. She's doing her own stuff, and I'm sitting here, and I hate this ride. She said we weren't gonna spin, and what does she do? She spins it. what did you think of It's a Small World? Quick question, do you prefer the normal or the holiday overlay? I prefer both. Neither one of them sticks out more than the other. Each one has its quirks. Obviously, the outside, I prefer holiday just because of the lights at night. But the inside, either one, I'm perfectly fine with. So, I just wanted to kind of point something out. If you were in line for, let's say, a popcorn bucket, because Ashley got Casey Jr., got the Casey Jr. popcorn bucket. If you were in line for a popcorn bucket and you're standing there for, let's say, 5 minutes, don't get out of line to go try to find another popcorn cart if you've already been there for 5 minutes. Because the couple in front of us, they had just gotten in line and somebody mentioned, hey, there's another cart right down the way with no line. That's a little different. But there was another group in front of us that was literally 4 or 5 groups from the front. Got out of line to go find the other popcorn cart. And it's like, by the time you find the other cart, you would have already gotten your popcorn from the one that you're already in. So, just another little tip. We're gonna try not to break any of our own rules today. But we are headed over to Pirates. I know we're doing Indy, but there's no way I can film Indy. But we're headed over to Pirates. Gonna go relax in New Orleans Square. So let's venture on over that way. There was something.